You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajan. I'm Maria Bashardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Economic growth in the world's second largest economy reached the slowest in 29 years, according to GDP numbers out of China this morning. GDP expanded by 6.1% for the full year in 2019, and fourth quarter growth stood at 6% year on year as a long, drawn-out trade dispute with the United States took its toll on the economy. The data was in line with expectations, but there were positive surprises from the monthly indicators, with both industrial output and retail sales beating the forecasts in December and pointing to a possible quickening in growth momentum towards the end of 2019. The Chinese yuan extended its bullish run on the back of the encouraging data to hit a 6-month high against the US dollar. There seems to be no stopping to Wall Street's rally lately, as all three major indices closed at a record high for yet another day on Thursday, as there was nothing to dampen the risk-on mood that's been driving the markets since early December when the Phase 1 deal was announced. The S&P 500 burst through the 3,300 level for the first time as tech stocks surged, while strong earnings from Morgan Stanley also boosted the share indices. Going forward, the concern for the U.S. and global equities rally is whether there will be any significant new catalysts to sustain the impressive uptrend. Further boosting sentiment on Thursday was a hat trick of data beats in the U.S. Retail sales figures, the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and weekly jobless claims all topped expectations, indicating that U.S. economic growth likely accelerated slightly in the fourth quarter, and 2020 got off to a solid start. U.S. Treasury yields spiked higher on the back of the strong data, lifting the U.S. dollar to a near 8-month peak versus the yen. Looking at the rest of the day, the U.S. dollar is likely to stay in the spotlight as industrial output figures are due, as well as a number of speeches by Fed officials. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.